we have our paper going sideways or landscape. We've got some colorful markers and a black marker for drawing. Don't forget to put a few pieces of paper underneath so you don't ruin your table. Oh, also, if I'm going a little bit too fast, don't worry. You can just pause the video and press play when you're ready to start drawing again. All right, let's go. So the first thing we're going to do on this side of the paper is draw our ice cream cone. So we're gonna draw a big sort of bubble. Go around and then join it there. Perfect. And of course, we need to draw the cone. I love ice cream cones. There we go. Perfect. All right, we can draw a few little details too. Just like so. Okay, now our ice cream is very, very happy. So we're gonna put a great big smile and a cute little nose. Now, the next thing we need are big eyes. Try to make the eyes the same size. It's a little bit hard, just do your best. I have a lot of trouble getting them to be the same size myself, but it's not a big deal. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to leave a little circle, and this circle is going to stay white. This will be a reflection or a little detail in the eye, just to make it look a little bit more cute. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna put a couple of cute little eyelashes at the side. There we go. Okay, so that's the first part of our ice cream. And we're gonna draw some little arms. This ice cream is so excited. Do you know why? Because is eating a popsicle. There we go. Okay, now we're going to draw our popsicle over here. Let's start with the bottom of the popsicle. Just draw a line, and then it goes up and back down. And then, of course, we need our popsicle stick. That's great. Okay. And do you think our popsicle is happy? I think our popsicle is very happy. So we're going to put a big smile, a little nose, and again, two big eyes. Okay. We'll do the same thing on these eyes. We'll leave a little circle. And then color the rest black. Just like so. Now, why do you think that our popsicle is so happy? I think it's because he is eating an ice cream cone. Let's give him another arm. Woo! Look how happy he is. Okay, what do you think the next thing we need to do is? Of course, we need to color. Okay.